If you've ever wanted to make your WordPress content look cleaner and more organized, adding a horizontal line separator is a simple but powerful trick. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, so you can divide your text, sections, or images neatly within your posts or pages. Let's get started. First, open the post or page where you want to add the separator. Once you're there, click the little plus icon. This is how you add a new block in WordPress. You'll see this icon appear when you hover between existing blocks or at the bottom of your content. Now, in the search bar that appears, type separator. From the results, choose the separator block. As soon as you select it, WordPress will automatically insert a clean horizontal line into your page. But here's where you can make it look even better. Customization. On the right-hand side, you'll see the block settings panel. Under the style options, you can choose between a default line, a wide line, or even a dotted line, depending on what your theme supports. Want to match it with your brand colors? You can also change the color of the separator. Some themes even let you tweak its width or thickness, perfect for when you want your separator to really stand out or stay subtle. And that's it. You've just added a professional looking horizontal line separator to your WordPress page. No coding, no plugins, just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep exploring these small WordPress design tips. They make a huge difference in how your content looks and feels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.